11th edition for CFG Bank's one-on-one conference. For 11 years, this annual conference has been bringing together listed companies from Morocco and the region with investors from all around the world. CFG Capital Markets, a subsidiary specializing in stock brokerage and market research, is behind the event.
We are delighted to host the 11th edition of the CFG conference that this year is held in Marrakesh, hosting 160 attendees, which is a record since the first edition in 2014. Among the attendees, we have 90 investors from 15 different nationalities, representatives from the UK, the USA, France, Saudi Arabia, UAE, and so on, as well as 29 issuers, both from Morocco and the BRVM. We shall highlight that this conference comes in a context where the Moroccan economy has shown great resilience, especially following major challenges such as the COVID pandemic, such as the Russia-Ukraine war and the unfortunate earthquake of Al Hawz. In spite of that, we witness a strong and positive dynamic and trajectory of the Moroccan economy, with the booming of new export sectors such as automotive, aeronautic, the booming of the tourism sector, and the successful hosting of major events such as the AFCON 2025 and the World Cup 2030, along with Spain and Portugal. We are confident that this conference is a great opportunity to foster communication between the issuers and investors, as well as a great opportunity to highlight different and many investment opportunities in both Morocco and the whole region.
Everything here is designed to bring listed companies and investors closer together. The meetings, whether one-on-one or in small groups, allow for open and direct exchanges between companies and national and international investors seeking new opportunities. Numerous networking sessions are also scheduled throughout the 48-hour event to further facilitate connections. This conference is taking place in a particularly favorable context for the Moroccan economy and the Casablanca Stock Exchange.
The Moroccan market is definitely on a positive trend, and there are many fundamental factors that lead to this positive dynamic on the market. First of all, there is the decrease in the key rate, which translated into a drop in the yield curve. The second thing which will further emphasize the downward trend in the yield curve is the fact that the budget deficit is perfectly managed and we're on target to reach a normative level within the upcoming 2 years. So there is an arbitrage that is becoming in favor of the equity market, whereas over the past 2 years, the arbitrage was in favor of the bond market. Beyond that, Morocco is gonna be co-organizing the World Cup for 2030 and the African Cup in 2025. So there are a lot of structural project infrastructure development that are going to happen over the upcoming 5 years to prepare Morocco to host these two important events, and that will have a positive impact and a positive momentum on several industries. And to mention few, we can talk about the banking industry, which will finance these projects. We can also talk about the medical sector with the generalization of universal healthcare insurance, which will basically enable 11 million people that formerly could only attend public hospitals to come now and get treatment in private clinics. And this will benefit, Acdital, which also is having a tremendous investment program to grow its footprint on the Moroccan territory. We can also talk about the FMCG and the agribusiness in general, with Cosumar, which is the sole refiner of sugar in Morocco. Cosumar has recently announced a program to increase its production capacity by 500,000 tons to further enhance its export business. We can also talk about Mutendis, which has just concluded an important investment program through several acquisitions and through the development of a new plant, which will enable it to improve margin, improve production efficiency, and grow profitability. And we also can talk about general contractors such as TGCC, which will actually help build all these infrastructure and prepare Morocco to meet its objectives over the upcoming years. Not to forget Marsa, the leading port operator in Morocco, which just got a new concession in one of the new ports in Morocco, the Nador West Med, located on the northeast of the country, which will enable it to more than double its transshipment business and participate in international trade.
The companies present, all experiencing growth, see this event as an opportunity to gain visibility with key investors. These companies, mostly Moroccan, but also from across the region, are represented by major players such as the Moroccan healthcare group, Actital, and Sonatel, the leading telecommunications company in Senegal, both of whom share this perspective.
We're so honored to participate at the 11th edition of the one-on-one conference with CFG. This is a really great opportunity for us to really showcase the vision and the goals that Actital has set out for itself, and to strengthen existing relationships with shareholders that have really trusted us and accompanied us during this journey. And then also just meet other shareholders that may be interested in the company, whether on a national level or an international level. So we're looking forward to seeing the excitement that Actital continues to garner in these conferences.
I'm very delighted to be here to participate in the 11th one-on-one equity conference here in Morocco. It's our 10th participation to this conference, and that shows the relation between CFG Bank and Sonatel. Just to remind you that Sonatel is a listed company at BRM Stock Exchange, and Sonatel have very good results, operational and financial results, and has very good dividend yields.
On the investor side, the stakes are equally high. This conference allows them to meet a large number of companies in a short period, optimizing their prospecting and investment decisions.
So I'm very excited to be here. This is an annual event that I've been attending for a few years. It's a good opportunity for investors and management teams and different industries to meet together. Thank you to the CFG team for organizing, and it's a great opportunity to get to know different industries and different investors and listed companies in the region. And it's been a few years that I've been coming here, and I really like it. It's an opportunity, as I said, to meet and to network and to have an opening on the continent and in our region what the opportunities are and where we can invest.